Hello, my name is Vega, and today I'm going to talk about my K-pop fan application. This is my final project that I'm going to present. Right here, this is the login screen and register. So right now we're going to be doing is the login and register. So let's just check it out how it works. So right now I'm going to log in. It gives us alert because we didn't register this account. So once we register, it can identify us and be able to access to K-pop fan. So let's just register. It give us alert because it needs to be longer your password. So to be able to access to K-pop fan. So let's just make it able to access it. So right here we are in K-pop fan. So right now we're going to log out and see how it functions. The login button. First thing first, I want to input incorrectly our password and see how it works. Once I click login, it said the password is invalid. So basically that the password is wrong. So we need to make it correct the password. So once the user input the correctly, they will be able access to K-pop fan account. So let's just click right here and it allow us to enter right here. So right here, this is the page of K-pop fan. And as well, you can hear the music. So right here, there's some news. They can view it as well, hear music in the background. So right now, I'm going to talk about right here how it works. So right here, this is like the news. So once we click right here, the photo, it will go directly to the link. So right here, this is BTS deliver a heartfelt video speech. And right here, we go back. And it's still in the same page as well. The text do the same thing. It will go directly to the link. So that is the good thing about it, because the user have two options that they can go and click the image or go click the text. Also, this news do the same thing, and even this text, they just like go directly to the link, and basically the user can read more to it about their K-pop idol or the K-pop band. So right here, they can read more about detail. And as well, if you click right here on top, it will change the image. And as well, right here, there it looks like the same news. As well, you can hear the music. If I go back, right here, I'm going to talk about the likes. The likes is basically an ice cream. So this will show like if you want to click a like, it's just an example. Let me just click it right here. It will show like a diamond. Once you click it, it will change into a diamond. So we go back, and right here, this is the like button that I click. Right here, if I click the image, it will go directly to a link, and you can learn more about the CM Bloom member and even certain K-pop member that right there have the image of. And right here, there's like certain things that you can learn about each member, like for example, facts about them that they share, even the birth, the place that they were born, and also like the real name. So that's really interesting. As well, you can learn different things about different each K-pop band and even solo K-pop. For example, right here, you can follow people, more people in the community that is into K-pop, and as well, they have the account and they post certain things as well. In the future, I will add more feature to it. For example, they can click on it and check their profile and check their post that they post as well. For now, I'm going to go to likes. So right here, this is likes given, and this person like three posts that I posted. So this is the three posts as well. Right here, this is the four posts this other person like. And something interesting is the same thing as the other one. Right here, if we click on this one, it will go directly to a link. Basically, it will talk about the person, this K-pop idol, as well. He done some drama in the Korean drama, and as well TV show and certain things. So right now we're going back to the screen, and right here we're heading to K-pop slash K drama. So right here you see a certain post. Right here it said about like when you find your K-pop idol is acting in a K drama, how you reacted, like a dramatic scene, like a good way. And right here is we can go and it will go directly to a link if we click the image, and also you can learn more about them as well, like what certain drama they were in, and TV show and movie, and even more. And also you can find more about this K-pop idol, and as well they act in K drama, which is really interesting. We're heading to the profile. The user will view it differently compared to other social media. So my application, what it does is that the post will view it horizontally instead of vertical. And some of the social media that are famously known go vertical. And one of the things is that they do not put an image background. So right here, this is the home page. Something interesting about this is that if we refresh, it's still the same thing. The home button and still have the like that we given for this news that we given for the K-pop band twice. And as well, if we do a dislike, we will see other result. So right now, I'm going to say that I love this news of BTS delivering a heartfelt video speech. So this is an example what it looks like for a dislike. So right here, this is the dislike, and we input dislike, and it doesn't appear the number because the dislike wouldn't appear how many number of certain posts they dislike certain things. So this is a safe community and a healthy one. So it wouldn't appear like certain people, their name, their profile, or certain things. So right now I'm going to do an example where a user like this post, but however give a dislike, but they want to take that dislike away. So instead they go right here, the like button, and instead it just take out the dislike, and instead it give this diamond as well, increase the number. So we go back, and you see that it still give the like, and as well right here still the same thing. And as well, something different is that this like doesn't appear with a purple and green. So that means that you like this post instead of dislike. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video.